Stand straight and place your palms on your waist. Open your legs 3 to 4 feet apart. Turn your right toe towards the right side and left slightly towards the right. Bend your right knee until your thigh comes parallel to the floor. Your chest and waist facing front. Open your hands at your shoulder level. Turn your head towards the right side. Breathe in as you engage the muscles of the left leg. Breathe out and straighten the right leg. Move your right toe slightly to the left and left toe to the left side. Bend your left knee parallel to the floor. Gaze towards the left hand as you engage the muscles of the right leg. Breathe in and out as you feel the stretch in the glutes and inner thighs. To release the pose, exhale and straighten the left leg. Release the arms to the side and turn the feet parallel.